How I built a concrete paver parking pad under my stair landing deck.
Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Have you ever looked underneath your deck and thought, there has to be a better use for all of this wasted space? That's exactly what I thought. Instead of letting this area collect weeds and mud, I transformed it into a concrete paver parking pad for my riding lawnmower and utility trailer. But there was one big problem. The underground gutter drain ran right through the middle of where I wanted to build. So before I could install a single paver, I had to completely reroute the drainage system. Today I'll show you exactly how I solved every challenge, from excavation to drainage, paver installation, and restoring the yard. The area underneath my stairs wasn't being used for anything. Every time I mowed the lawn, I had to leave my mower sitting outside. My utility trailer was also exposed to the weather. I wanted a clean, level place to park both. Before digging anything, I measured the available space. My goals were simple: park the mower, park the trailer, and protect the drainage system. As soon as I started digging, I discovered the underground downspout pipe ran directly underneath the future parking pad. Instead of ignoring it, I decided to fix it the right way. I removed the old section and installed a new underground Y fitting. I connected everything securely to make sure the slope continued toward the drain. This is one of those projects homeowners don't see when it's finished, but it makes all the difference. With the drainage fixed, it was finally time to prepare the foundation. A good paver project starts underneath the pavers. The better the base, the longer the project lasts. I started along a straight edge and worked across the pad, one row at a time. As I went, I constantly checked for level. Small adjustments during installation save major headaches later. Once every paver was installed, I filled the joints with sand and checked the entire surface. After all the digging, I wanted the yard to look like the project had always been there. Fresh sod blended everything back together. What used to be wasted space is now one of the most useful areas in my backyard. The mower stays protected, and the drainage works better than before, and the backyard looks cleaner. I learned 5 important things. Always locate underground drainage before digging. Never rush the foundation. Take your time leveling pavers. Fix drainage problems while everything is already excavated. And don't overlook unused space around your home. If this project gave you an idea for your own backyard, please hit like, subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement, and I'll see you in the next project. Measure twice, cut once, work safely, and keep building.
Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. How I built a concrete paver parking pad under my stair landing deck. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following. Again, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next video.